summertime, looking for a vibe at the top, back to the sun. Tour bus with the bros, going on the road, gone for 3 months.
Alright. What's good, beautiful people? It's your boy Emmanuel. Welcome back again to the channel. If you are new to this channel, I go by the name of Emmanuel, aka Palm Wine Papi. I review Nigerian music. I do album reviews, reactions like this. So definitely check out the rest of the content if you are new, okay? Let me just turn off my phone. Phone blowing off here. Yes, sir. So today's video, man, Davido, A Better Time, bro. A Better Time I think it's gonna be what, this week? It's dropping November 13th, so it's going to be this Friday, bro. Hey, this is mad. Okay, so first off, we have a single. First single obviously has been Femme. We've already like grown. If you haven't seen my reaction to that, go check that one out. I was very interested how that song like blew up, even from the instance of like me thinking, oh, this is just a diss track that no one's gonna pay attention to. This is not the best Davido moment, but funny enough, the song has grown into becoming like an anthem. But now this is the second single. It's called So Crazy featuring Lil Baby. Now, to be honest, I'm not huge on Lil Baby. Like, I'm not the biggest Lil Baby like stan or whatnot, but there's definitely moments where I've enjoyed Lil Baby songs. I think the song that he did about the Black Lives Matter movement too, so that was honestly one of my favorite Lil Baby moments. But nonetheless, my expectation for this collaboration it's scary, because like I've already seen two artists that, like, in terms of international collaborations, right? Especially when it comes to Davido and international collaborations, it's very risky, man. No pun intended. But it's like sometimes it works, sometimes it's a huge miss, and that's my fear of A Better Time. A Good Time had instances of that where there were collaborations that just were not they're just not compatible, and you could see that it was just a name recognition type of thing. And my hope is that that's not the case here, man. Right now there's a video for it, so I really want to hear the song first rather than even like watch a video for it. But then again, we're here and there's content to be made, so might as well knock two birds at the same time. I say knock two birds. Is that no? That's not how the saying goes. No, kill two birds with one stone. It's been a long day already. Don't mind me. But definitely is gonna be one that I'm looking forward to check out. So might as well check it out with me, and yeah, let's see how it is. All right. Without any further ado, guys, let's get right into it, shall we? Okay. Baddest. Alright. You don't call my phone, cause your mind they go. You don't want to fight, you don't want no. Okay, we're already getting a trap feel to this. I already feel like it's a trap moment. And Davido and trap, it gets us to be, but we're here for it. Yeah, like you go, and I want the bill. I don't want to know, I just want the bill. Yeah, so I they call you, baby reason. Hoping you ain't sleeping, have you for the weekend. Whoa. Okay, it's looking like it's a summer jam, just based off the visuals, man. Everything's looking very like summery. I don't know if it's the right time of the year for this, but we'll see. Yeah, we can bang on the Tuesday. Now girl, what you use? Girl, you know you gonna be alright. Okay. I didn't see that drop coming, no. I did not see that drop coming. That's mad. That's actually mad. Huh. It seems very chilled and like a slow grind type of song, but let's pick it up. Okay. So with that hook, it seems decent so far. Like I'm just trying to see where maybe the second run at the hook will be stronger for now. But so far it's chill. It doesn't seem like it's doing too much. It's a slow grind vibe. The beats is just coming in easily. It's very like, it's very. I just came off of Made in Lagos, but it feels very like, it feels very mid-tempo kind of bounce. It feels very mid-tempo kind of bounce so far. I'm curious as to how Lil Baby is going to vibe on this though.
Heartbreak got a heartbreak, my chest ain't got no.
We'll give it a shot, man. We'll give it a shot. We'll give it a shot, guys. Come on, we can do this. We can do this. We can do this.
Heartbreak got a heartbreak, my chest ain't got no. I tried my best, gave it my all, now I'm done. Summertime looking for a vibe at the top back for the sun. Tour bus with a bros, going on the road, gone for 3 months. I've been
Alright, I see where this is going already. See, I don't like this, man. I don't like when I'm forced to like. Anyways, let me save it for the end, maybe. Let's see.
Too long, everything I do is wrong. Let you tell it, but you can't tell me nothing. I'm grown. I handle my business the right way. I'm on. Now people can't even hit me on my phone. You're just too crazy. I know I'm not wrong.
There's a lot going on in the video, by the way. Something still unnecessary here, but
I'll probably break down, sing your favorite song. Do what I have to stay in my zone. If you're not with me, then leave me alone. She don't be regular damage. I'm a big massacre. She they make me the bazaga. You got me feeling blue, something like Avatar. Make me want to sign you, fire my manager.
make me want to sign you. So you just decided, okay, no. I like that run though.
Make me want to sign you, fire my manager. Yeah, so I they call you, make me breathe. Hoping you ain't sleeping. Have you for the weekend? Oh, yeah, we can bang on the tunes. Now, girl, what do you say? Girl, you know you gonna be alright.
That's to the head notes. It's to the head notes are fine here, bro.
Girl, you know you gonna be alright.
Hey, 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 hey. Alright.
If you don't find, but I mean, they call you know the beat. So great, so great.
Nice, nice. It's not a bad song, man. It's not bad at all. Okay, hey, okay. Alright, Davido. Alright, Davido. Alright, baddest. We see you. Alright, first off, the whole Lil Baby feature was not necessary here. I think the song would have been solid without him. But then again, it's an international feature that is meant to help further the crossover. You know how these big labels do things, and I think it hurts the song more than it adds to it. You know, like it just, for me, that's just me, bro. But the song is talking about just falling in love. It's just a romantic gesture, basically. The whole song is just a romantic gesture, and it's meant to be like a slow grind song, slow grind type song. And that mid-tempo flow is what's popping right now, man. Very slow grind. Nobody's doing too much. None of these big cats are doing too much in terms of like up-tempo Afro beats. Like almost that era is like kind of fading out, and it's interesting to see because Wizkid, Burna Boy, and Davido, like once the big dogs are doing it, you expect that to like ripple down to the rest of the industry, with the exceptions of like say Naira Marley, where he keeps his tone, and other guys that keep it up tempo, like the new cats that are coming out. But nonetheless, it's prepping me for the album. I'm getting an idea now. This is, I think, track 13 on the album, so it's somewhere down the line for the album because I'm checking Apple Music now. because I got the Apple Music notification today. I was like, Davido just added something to so yeah, this is track 13 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it is, and the album has 17 tracks, so that's a lot in today's era, but this is track 13 of it. So for me, Davido is God, if I could, I just want to shake Davido because he has so much potential to make great albums, man. But just arranging albums and having the 17 track is already like, bro, that's excessive in some sense. But like of today's era, like 17 tracks is doing a lot. Yeah, but then again, we'll see how that one turns out. But so far, this one, I like the song. I actually do like the bounce. I like the feel of it. I like how romantic the atmosphere is. It's just like a smooth, almost like an Afro R&B type of thing. Like it's not really dancehall nonetheless, but I really dig this one. I really dig this one. But let me know what you guys think about this one. Do you think Lil Baby's feature was helpful here? Do you think it's just one of those cases of international collaboration where you just have to like check those boxes? Oh yeah, I featured this person so we can like cross markets and whatnot. Because that's how I feel about this one. So let me know how you feel about this one. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm your boy Emmanuel, aka Power and Papi. Check out the other content I just put out. Made in Lagos review, so go check that out. I put out Olamide's Carpe Diem review. I put that out as well. So looking forward to A Better Time by Davido. And yeah, nonetheless, stick around. Definitely subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit the thumbs up as well, man. Do all those good things that would help the algorithm. I'm trying to get this channel to 1,000 by the end of the year, so please, let's make that happen. I have a main channel where I have my older reviews. I had some monetization issues there, that's why I'm trying to come here and build something new. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at a better time, okay? You better come back around so we can talk about that album, alright? Let me know what you guys think about this one, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.